AI has made modeling much simpler. You don't need to design, you just describe it with text, and it can give you a model. If you can provide a hand-drawn sketch, it can also directly turn 2D to 3D. Now, if you want to create anime goods, like a fridge magnet, you are no longer limited in what you can make. I'm using Tripo AI to give a demonstration. Different versions of AI models have different emphasis, so let's do a comparison test. Using the same image to generate a Pikachu, the upgrade in 3D effect is indeed quite noticeable. You can choose according to your needs, a relatively flat model, or a model with more dynamic 3D effects. The webpage also offers stylization options. You can use your image or description as a basis for creative design, turning it into a pickup bird. If you only give it a single image, it can't see the back, so the AI will improvise. Therefore, the back is sometimes generated in a rather old way. But if you can provide 3 views, you will open the door to a new world. It turns out converting 2D to 3D can be so efficient. It can output various formats. You can drag them into any modeling software for further edits. Using this AI for modeling is also very convenient, requiring no deployment whatsoever. Just open the Tripo AI webpage. You see the interface is very clean, and type directly into it. With it, you can turn your imagination into reality much faster. But is it really that convenient? Next, I'm going to demonstrate the entire process by creating a cultural creative fridge magnet. There's a Pokemon Mewtwo generated directly. This is incredibly powerful. How did it even recognize the tail? Since there's only a front view, the character's width couldn't be accurately determined. Let's pick a format to export, then make some slight adjustments in the software based on the anime. Let's draw a cultivation pot for Mewtwo, throw it into Tripo AI, and it directly generated a model based on my drawing, even complete with a metal material rendering. Hand the model over to a 3D printer, and this digital model becomes a physical object. Add some paint and a magnet to the metal cultivation pot, and just like that, a shiny new anime character fridge magnet is completed. What other models do you think Tripo AI could be used to generate? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and let's discuss together.